Hey guys, Marc LaLonde. I've been working with Brady for quite a while now. We started collaborating in Branding University. I'm the founder and CEO. It's a multi-7-figure business. Brady was an official professor in the university. He went on to start his own school. He'd probably be one of my most successful students. Massive action taker, but what's more important about Brady is that we share a commonality when it comes to sales. We sold vacuums, for Pete's sake. I mean, we have the same caring and giving style. I personally give information for free. I've been doing it for years. It's been groundbreaking for me, and Brady is kind of like my brother from another mother. So I'll tell you what, guys, if you have a chance to just open up conversation with Brady. I know he's got a new agency coming out and it's blowing my mind. So get in touch with him, open up conversation. What can I say? He's the cream of the crop, and the cream always rises to the top. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.